Hey, good morning, everyone. So I'm posting this because I've been out trying to find my Celtic sea salt and it is not in the stores. I've been looking for a couple weeks. I just can't find it. So you probably can't find it either. And I wanted to give you some options for another sea salt. And I'm bringing you Herbamare today. It's one that I use a lot. I have two different flavors. I'll tell you about that in a minute. But it's really great. It's a combination of sea salt and this one, which is their, original flavor. This one has 12 organic herbs and vegetables. So this can be a great alternative to sea salt. Another good thing about it is you get a third less salt when you're using this. So good for anybody who's watching their salt intake. So it's been around in Europe for decades. You might not be familiar with it, but it has been around. And the original formula was made by a Swiss naturopath. He came up with the original formula, which I think they're still using. I don't think they've changed anything. So the way it's made is what I really fell in love with and why I like to use it. So I'm going to tell you, really briefly about how it's made is that they go and they harvest 12, like I said for the original, 12 organic herbs and vegetables. They hand clean them. So again, not to disrupt or diminish any nutrients out of the plants. They hand clean these, and then within 8 hours of harvesting the herbs and vegetables, they are processing those things into a paste, which they then combine with really good sea salt. So you have this herbed salt mixture. They put it out, they slab it, on trays, and they let it basically cure or steep. They let it steep for up to a year, up to 12 months. So that's a long time for the salt crystals to infuse all the nutrients that were in those herbs and vegetables. So it's just a really nice alternative again to salt. I think the whole process is pretty amazing, and there's some videos out there that you can watch sort of how they make it. They remove any extra moisture out of it, so it's really loose, just like a regular table salt, and it's just really good flavor. It's 100% natural. It is not refined, and it's really tasty. It comes in, like I said, it comes in regular. I put some here so you can see the difference. Regular is the lighter one. Spicy, get it up there. Spicy is the darker one. This one does have the regular 12. I'll include the list of the 12 herbs and vegetables that are in it. The spicy one has 4 extra. So you're going to get an extra chili pepper, chili powder, black pepper, horseradish, and kelp are in the spicy one. And I tend to favor this one. Both are good. I use this, the regular one. And if you taste it, from the first time you taste this, you're going to know, it's so good. It's so flavorful, very rich, very dynamic flavor that works well. I like it on vegetable side dishes. The spicy one, I really like this one. This one you definitely notice the kick. I noticed the chili powder and horseradish right away. Ooh, really good. But what I like this on, I usually have it on my avocado toast when I'm making those in the morning. I'll put a little bit of the spicy one with some arugula, and it's so good. So again, this is the regular, this is the spicy. Give these a try. You don't always have to use just plain sea salt. Change it up a little bit depending on how you're using it. And let me know how you liked it. I will put a link. If you can't find it in your stores, I'll put a link below for you to try it. Ooh, that one is a little spicy. But yeah, put a comment below. Tell me what one you tried and how you liked it.